Right, hello again. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. I think that works. Right, now, here we go. We've got this crap again. So let's just get rid of him. And we're done. Right. So this is where we left it last time. We've got loads to change. So we're going to get rid of these. We want to resize it so that they fit there and there, which is cool. Then we're going to do the contact us page where we're going to give a form and stuff. And then we're actually going to look at it again because at the moment it looks like a baby done it. So if we start from here first. Cool. Where are we? What year is it? Oh yeah, there's a naked man with a drill. We never talk about that again. What we do need though is these. What have I done here? Okay, the class of drawing, which should actually be drawings. Right, drawing. That's why. So if I change that there to drawing, save, go back on here, that bond at the bottom should now be the right size. It's not. Perfect. That's just what I wanted to see. Right, why ain't that worked? Right, image source, class, drawing. Ah, because, you silly boy. Because what? Why hasn't it worked? Because I've done it the wrong way around. Because I've done it the wrong way around. I bet you if we open that it will come up in 350 by 350. Yeah, it should be a square. Perfect. So, I need to swap that with that. And now we should have a perfectly square box, which is completely different to them. Perfect. So what size have I done these ones at? What is going on? Right, so they've got to be, what, 550 by 550? Well, too big. 450 by 450? Ooh, 300 by 300. This is getting annoying, isn't it? I tell you what, if this works now, I will cry. $390 by $390. That's such a big drop, isn't it? Why is it? Oh, because I've done 400 a minute ago and it was well too big. I'm losing the plot here. Right, 450 is too big, 400 is too small. Hold on a minute. Is that changing size to suit it? Oh, I don't even know anymore. 425. Let's go with that. There you go. First time. Look at that. Right, okay. So, that one's that. Which means we now need to take all of this. Copy to all of there. Like that. But we actually want the elevation JPEG. Which is there. like so, and put him in there like so, and do the same again with that, like that. Save that, open up, should have now 2 wonderful little drawings there. Look. Wicked. I can't go over how good they look. I mean, on the whole website they look shit, but sorry, rubbish. But yeah, that sets them off really nice. I like them. Very happy with the way that they've come out. Okay, let's get rid of them 2 now, which is these 2 here. Goodbye. Boom. There we go. So we've got a gallery, drawings, contact us. Right, so we need to swap them around still. So actually, let's do that now. So we don't. This is the thing. With words like this. Because I can start removing bits and pieces all over the show. Right, I'm gonna do a save as. Right, let's just save that. Save that. File. Save as. Home. Dash. Version. Dash 2. Save. And you. Why have you just disappeared? There you go. And now you can be saved as style 2. Style dash version dash 2. Save. Right. That way we're not all confused. He says. So we're gonna now stop going live, go back to being live so that I can get the website up again. Cool. Well, what we're going to do, we're going to remove drawings from there because I don't think it's needed. But then why would you only have 2? Do you know what I mean? Because again, in fairness, damn it, if you go to gallery, boom, you're there. And we're going to add some more pictures in these anyway. And then contact us will then be the thing. Okay, cool. Let's get rid of the drawings. Delete. Get rid of. Like that. What does that now look like? We should have 2 like that. Boom, boom. And then PhD interiors. That one there can be the home. If we link that to itself, and we fix that bit at the top. So if we fix the top thingy, so top container must be fixed. Top. Where are you? Container. Nope. I've only just looked at a bit of it. I didn't even look at it properly, like a mug. Right. Nope. Done it again. Position. Fixed. So that should do nothing. Why has that done nothing? All of that now should, in theory, be coming down. Right, let's grab that. Oops. And now we want headings, maybe? I mean, really, I think it would have been the top position, but this might even take it out of context. In it. Yeah, no, see? I think it's because we've got display flex in there. How to keep a div at top of page. Nope. How to use position fixed with flexbox. Yes. How can I have a position fixed behavior for a flexbox sized? I have a div called side blah blah blah. As soon as I apply fixed, the alternative is to the right one. That's not what I wanted. Can I set position fixed to a flex container to make a... Yeah, there we go. Flex containers and I'm not making position values. Understanding what's the best practice for creating fixed headers if it is a flex container. Doesn't look like there's anything technically preventing it from working. Keep in mind also you should always make a fixed container and stick the flex item inside it. Okie dokie. So, what am I doing? Other than pushing buttons and getting confused. Why have I made this full screen? What am I, why, I ask. How far behind are we on here? Yeah. A little bit. But that's alright. Right. So, if we make the whole box fixed, and then we put... Where's my... that. Right, so if we make... top container... and then inside that we'll put a div with a class equals class equals what? Right, the top container will then be fixed. Inside that we need to make it all flexed. So if we just put flex box and see what that does. Well, we ain't going to see what that does. I'm talking absolute gibberish because I'm confused. Right, okay, so we need to now make a... is it top container that was? It is. So we need to make one called flex box. So dot flex dash box, done, which is that. If we now do them two there, that shouldn't change anything. It has. Bugger. Why has it? Have I done it right? Flex dash box, flex dash box. Did I do a class? I did. So if I do this one here, position dash fix position dot fixed. That should all stay, but it's not. Why is nothing staying? Is it because it's not full screen? Nope. So hold on, even if I get rid of these two and leave the position fixed in there, it's still not staying. Let's go back. Get rid of all of that. There we go. Ah, oh my good God. Get rid of position fixed, and we're done. Oh dear. What have I done? How'd you go the other way? Redo. Oh, this has all gone terribly, terribly wrong. Right, let's close that completely. Close that. Struggling. Struggle. Visual Studio Code. Okay, I don't know why you're all doing that to me, Mr. Google. This couldn't have gone any worse. Right. That's all back. That's all back. Now I can't go live. Control and save. Here we come, look. Go live. Sweet. This should open up perfectly without any issues whatsoever. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go in here and we're going to open up home. No, we're not. We're going to open up style. Like that. We're going to take all of this, copy it, take all of that, paste, delete that, go here, press F5, and now panic. Oh, I've just closed the wrong one, that's why. Style 2, delete that. Oh my god, I think I've just done it the other way around. I'm being a mug. Doing an absolute mug. I didn't have a style sheet, have I? It's not going to be style. It's going to be style dash version 2 version dash 2.cscs. But that one's now copied from my old one, so I need to get at that and hope right, why is this now the wrong way? Let's go to the top and find out. I've completely mucked this up. Right, display fixed, justify content, that's fine. Where is position fixed? What did I change in here? Oh, it was the divs. So we're going to get rid of that. We're going to get rid of that. There we go. Everything's fine again. That went really wrong. It just looks shit, doesn't it? It just looks absolutely dog. Right. After that complete mess, we're going to save this. We're going to save that. Like so. And luckily I got copies of the other one, so that's not a problem. But yeah, that was a bit of a complete disaster. So, where is my H1? PhD interiors, where's that? Headings. It's there. Right, because that we need to change from a div to a href equals hashtag PhD. That's it. Save. Done. That should work. So if I now click on there, oh, okay, that's weird. Oh, because the PhD. No, it's red still. So what have I done? Oh. If I change that to an A, we should be good again. Yeah, we go. Right. So now if I click on there, we go there. There goes down to there. There goes there. Cool. 3 o'clock. My goodness gracious me. Oh! Goody gumdrops. How far behind are we? Up. Starting. Yeah, that's quite far. Now we're looking at like 40 seconds again. Gonna have to look into how to do that. So I'm not happy with this at all. Like this ain't something you should give someone as a service, is it? However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish it when I get to the contact us page. I'm going to put this one side, and I'm going to crack on with some JavaScript. Now we'll be coming back to this before Christmas. This website, before New Year's, this website will be complete. But up until then, we're in a little bit of a stop. I didn't want that. I want that. Now, what's next? Oh, come on, man. There we go. Right, so on my little lists here. Move gallery to a better layout. Right, swap out images. We're done. Finish the contact us page. Do that now. Move PhD to the middle and change colours. Right, see now. That one actually, I need to keep in. Do I want it in the middle? Do I want it in the middle? A good question. I think it looks right actually. And the colour in that's rubbish, but oh well. I mean, even the little hammers now are actually pony, aren't they? Okay. Right, let's just... I'll tell you what, let's change the background colours and turn them off quickly. So the background image there, we're going to turn into a thingy, a comment. So it'll be / star and star / Okie dokie, that didn't change anything. Oh look, the whole thing is the home. Don't know about that. Don't know about that. Right, that one there can also change to / star and star / and then we'll get rid of the grey, which was here. / star and star / So this way it looks like without any colour. Which again, in fairness, just even about the colours, it makes it alright. That needs to change. I like these two though. It's just a lot of work for just crap on it. Like, oh, so frustrating. So very frustrating. But whatever. We're going to do a contact us page now. So in the div footer, PhD, right, so in here we're going to add a form. So we want PhD interior woodworks is fine. ID contact us. Right, that is gone. We now need to add a form. And inside here will be label space, and I forgot how to do forms again already. I only did it earlier. Form. Where? Oh, you're going now? Okay. What's I'm saying? Pick him up for. Okay. Well, no, it's 3 o'clock now. You got no chance. Yeah. All right. See you in a bit. Right. Right, so we want, that's the input button. The input text defines a single line of text. Yeah, we know that. Right, label. That's right, so the labels are more for editing later on. So if we do label for equals contact dash us, and then we want that, and then we want contact us. See what that looks like quickly. Why has it got a thingamajiggy? Why has it got that? Oh, because it's 2. Right, contact dust can disappear probably. And now input type will be what? So text box is good, but not what we want. Don't want to check. We will need a submit button. How do you do a big box? I do know this because I've done it. Input types. Single line. Password, don't worry about that. Submit, we don't worry about that. In a minute. Reset, don't worry. Radio, no. Checkbox. Color. How the hell do you add? Input type range control with it. Default range is 0 to 100. That's not what we want. Input type search is used for searches. That's handy. Again, not what we need right now. Type weak, HTML. Okay, fine. Input attributes. Could this be the one? The input value specifies value for an input field. What? Value John Doe. Oh yeah, so on that you would then to make a input input type with many lines. I have done this, it's really annoying. To create multi-line text, use the database text area, that's the fellow. You can set the size of the text area using codes. It is used within a form. There we go, that's the kiddie. That's the one. To create a multi-line, use the HTML text area. Stop, right. Form, okay, text area. You off there, yeah? Sorry? La. Text area rows equal well, rows don't matter. Let's do columns. No, rows is the thing that matters. Rows equals, I don't know, if we go for 10. Let's just see what that looks like quickly. Like that. Text area, boom. What's that even look like? Shouldn't give us anything in fairness. Okay, means that something here is missing. See you later. Let's just do what they've done quickly and then give it a name of contact your message here. Yeah. There you go. So we can make it bigger and smaller. But we don't care about that. What we're going to do, we're going to nick one. And then we're going to play with it and see why it's any good. Right, dun dun dun. W3 score is always handy. Learn how to create a contact form with CSS. With CSS was that? Yeah, CSS. Let's create a contact form. Right, so what have these ones here got? Oh, mate, getting tired now. Right, so you only give you 3 options of places you can go. Right, fine, we don't need that. First name, last name, subject, submit. I mean, that in itself would work. And then they've got that. Well, what is that? Input text types. Well, so what have they done with the subject one? Text area ID, subject name, subject placeholder, write something, swan style. Why have they give it style? Oh man, wait, and then you have to. Why can't they just do? Right. So if we take that and delete it and put it up here under there, is there a difference? Right. Why? Because of that? Because it's now done it to all of them. I see. Right, okay. So if we take that out. See, because what they've done, they've fucking confused the ID of subject. Where's subject? So they've not even used it. So in here, in theory, you could go hashtag subject, brackets, do that, push that, and that should style, run the test. That's it. So now, why wouldn't you have done that? Because at that point, you're chucking HTML, CSS into the inline, and not here. Right. Please bear with me a moment. I'm just going to go have a beverage. I want to become famous. No, thank you, sir. Thanks, though. Much appreciated. Right. I'm just going to quickly go and grab a beverage. I shall return. Right. Sorry about that, guys. I have returned. I just realised that I've done this wrong, so I can't see who's talking to me. Admittedly, it's this dude. Right. Forms. Here we go again. Right, so I'm going to leave that in there for now. And we're going to use this. So what I'm going to do is actually just nickel this for now. I'm going to put it under all that. A quick look what it looks like. Okay, yeah. Cool. Now, I'm going to rewrite it. So, now that I have my cup of tea, and once again, the headphones are trying to kill me, so please bear with me, they're very long. Whenever I sit down in them, for some reason, they wrap around my head, proceeding to strangle me, and, well, making me lose consciousness, and then, you know, do death. So, all of this lot here is crap, so that's all gone. Now, we're going to start this all again and exactly see where we're going wrong. Right, PhD interior woodworks. We're going to get rid of that. And we're going to change the colour on the footer. We're going to get rid of that. We're going to get rid of that. And at the moment we've now got just the footer, which is there. And we'll get rid of that. And then on here we've got something called back top. Right, okay, so that's there. Cool. So, what we're going to do is just start very simple with a form. Back to basics. And we're going to give it a class. Right, so they've put their one inside a div. Okay, so have we. We've got it in a footer. Form action equals / action underscore page PHP. Right, I don't know what that means yet. So I think that's more for JavaScript. So we're going to leave that one out just for now. In fact, we're going to put in action equals and then leave it as that. Cool. So that's our form sorted. Right. Oops. There we go. Right. So that's that. Now, what we're going to do actually, because I've only just thought of it. Does it even work? It doesn't really. Okay, ignore everything I just said. We're not doing that. So that one over yonder. There. Now, no action and the form is done. Cool. On this one here, we're going to go label for equals name, because we're not going to do 2 because it won't need it on this one. And on here will be name. Nice and simple. And input type on this one would be text. Input type equals text. ID equals name. The name of it equals just name again. And the placeholder will be enter full name. No. Right. Cool. So if we save that, we now should have a wonderful full name. Boom. Cool. Now on this footer, which is a class, it's dot footer, footer, we're going to have text align, center. So that should now move over to the middle, which it has, wicked. And that's it for now. Right, next one, we want a label. We don't need a last name, we don't need that. So you want the name, email address equals email. It'll be email address. See, would it be email address though? So contact us page, would they need to put their email address in? Yeah, they would. Yeah, they would, I think. That's another thing I'm going to be looking at when I get into JavaScript and all that. Input type equals email. ID is email. Name equals email. And the placeholder equals email address. Close that. Next one will now be the one at the bottom we've got. So label for equals text. And in there will be enter query. Yeah, query for now. Change that later. Query. Go away. Cybersecurity job. I don't need that. I mean, I could. Input type is not input type. Right, this is the text area. Text area. ID equals subject. Well done. Nah, subject's wrong. Query. So on this one we'll put comment. No, we won't. ID will be text. The name will be text. The placeholder. Enter text here. Close that. And then text area will be finished. Cool. Right, and then we need a submit button, which again, in fairness, that's what I've got. Submit. The value equals submit. Cool. ID on that one. Submit. Cool. Save that. Have a quick look, and we should now have full name, email address, there's your query, submit. Cool. So we're now going to delete these ones for now. Cool. I'm going to go back on here and see what their styling's all about. So what they've done here. Box size in border box, that doesn't matter. Right, okay. So they've filled up 100% input type text. Right, so the container, they ain't done anything with. Action, nothing. But they've made that grey. Right, the border on the outside of all of these is fine. They've made it 100%, and then they've changed the padding to 12, so it's 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. Border radius 4 pixels. Right, so no, so this is this. Where's the grey come from? Is that? Nope, that must be green. Submit. When you hover over it, it changes the background slightly. Container, there it is. There it is. Okay, so the border radius has gone into that. And then what they've done after that, okay. Right. So let's start with that first. So let's go on footer. Text line in the center. And on this one, we're now going to give it... Right, so they haven't even... They've changed the container at the end after they've done all the other stuff. So... Oh, if we do that... So if we give... Can't you just do it with form in general? Form. No? That worked? Why not? Do not use empty rule sets. CSS empty rule sets. Select specificity. Alright, we'll leave that for now. Border. 2 picks. Solid. Grey. Black. I don't know why I've done grey. And then if we go with width, 100%. And then height, 60 pixels, just to see if it works. That it will. Oh, it did. I'm really puzzled now. Right, let's go 600. There we go, get a bit bigger. Right, so what we need to do now is break these up. So, in there, well no, actually, because in here they're not broken up. The width, the padding, the border radius, right. Width and padding I get. Because what they've done, they made it 100% wide. They've put a padding on it, 12 picks, so top, bottom, left, right. A border around it all, make it a little bit black. Border radius, 4 picks to give it a little curve. Box sizing, border box. What's that one? That's what I think they've done. Margin top, 6 picks. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Resize vertical. Ah. Ha. See, now where they've done that, we could make that a bit easier, surely. Because all of these are going to be like that. So if we go on here and put in input and then go like that, that will now make it so that they're all on top of each other, no? No. If I get rid of that, did it change anything? Don't think it would have done. Nope. That's fine. Okay, let's just try it my way. I know it ain't ideal, but for now it will suit its purpose. Like that. That should now have them like that. Cool. Why no line? Why has the email just decided it wants to do whatever it wants? Could it be because of this? I didn't even put anything in there. Wicked. Right. Why are you doing that? So the container around that, I suppose. Which was what? So footer, text align center. I mean, in fairness, couldn't this be that? Exactly the same thing. Sweet. Now footer. Can become. Send it off again. Nope. I'm going to get rid of footer. I don't like using that. I'm going to use a class instead of an ID. Sorry, ID equals form container. for that. So if I now go on here and go on, is it class or ID I just used? Can't remember. Probably would have been on ID. Yeah. Look at me using IDs again. Look, winning. Right. So we now have that. Oh, why has that changed? What did I change? Oh, I didn't put that in there, did I? Center. Boom, that's now there. Cool. And if I give a border on this one quickly, and we'll change that one to yellow. No, orange, because you know everyone loves orange. Oh dear. Right. Okay. Okay. Now, what else have they done? Right, let's make the background colour of the footer grey, so it stands out a bit more. Helps if I write background properly. We'll go on here. Boom. Cool. Now, what have they done? So they've given... See, resize vertical. I don't know what that does. I don't know what that does at all. Could it be... It'll go on top of each other? Let's try. Let's put it in here first. Nope. And now let's put it in here. No. Okay. Not sure what that does. Have to look another later day. Let's just copy all of that lot. And put it, because I think the width on this one is already done. It is. Get rid of that. Do it on a line where I can actually see what I've just added. See what that looks like. So, oh man, what's it done here? Right, so we're now going to take that and put that in there. That's what that looks like. See, it ain't done anything different than what I've done. Oh, but then it's brought the pixels down slightly. Oh! Okay. You know what? We're gonna have to leave it there, I think. I'm afraid. I have to go pick someone up. Well, how long's that taken? Oh, it's an hour. It's another hour. Good lord. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. I will be back later this evening, and we're going to finish this off for once and for all. Well, for now. So, thanks for watching. I will be back.